Okay, the potato's almost done. 50 seconds. I can show you what others. We already got the Frank's Red Hot. And we're gonna have to cut you cut it with the A1 steak sauce and the Zing Zang Bloody Mary mix. We got the pickles out because you need vegetables. I'm gonna show you. You need garlic powder. You need perfect pinch rotisserie chicken seasoning. Get some McCormick's, the best one. You need some perfect pinch salad supreme. It's like chicken seasoning, but it's different. And then pepper. You always need pepper. And then salt. That's as much salt as you need. And I mean, really, you gotta have that. So, okay, it's potato. Ooh, that's a hot potato. You get, it's funny. It's funny when I say funny things. Oh, I forgot to say, it doesn't matter what cheese you use. You can use any cheese, but I like Swiss. Don't provolone. Provolone sucks. Don't ever use provolone. That's the worst cheese. And I'm gonna grab these cheeses, and you know what? We're gonna go with some turkey cotto salami, cause that's fun. That's fun. We're gonna have a fiesta. We need some meat in our concoction, but it doesn't hurt to have more. You can't have too much of a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. The first thing you do here is you burn your hand really bad with the potato, and this really hurts, but you gotta have pain in your food, in your cooking. You gotta feel it so you know what the potato feels like when you killed it. Cause that's like the Native Americans. You gotta give thanks, and I'm not really sure if that's what they did, but okay. I'm gonna grab a fork out because I need to mix. This isn't the fork drawer. Do I have forks? No, that's dirt. I'm gonna grab one of these. Okay, and then you mash that up a little bit. You gotta mash that. Here I go. And then you pull the butter onto it with the meat flavorings. You want to make sure you don't cut up the butter too much, or cook the meat too much. I wasn't recording that. See, you put the butter in there. Okay. Now this is the easy part. Everybody likes garlic. Everybody likes garlic, so. And this isn't just garlic powder, it's also got green grass in it. Garlic with grass. And you put that on there. We're gonna move the fork. That's good. You can smell that flavor. And, okay. And let me put this to the side. I'll clean it up later. I gotta be professional about this. Oh, I forgot. No, I'll do that later. Okay. Then you do the rotisserie chicken. You get that on there. So good. Okay. Then you go and you take. No, this will go on at the end. Maybe some bacon bits. Yeah. You need these. Guys, they're good. You can put as many on there as you want, and if it gets on that. If it falls on the floor, it's okay, or on the counter, because whatever you were making the day before, you can add that flavoring right in there. These people talk about it. I learned that from when I worked at a pizza place. they taught me that you don't clean the pans properly, and then it adds more flavor. You never clean anything. And you put some salt on there. Okay, you don't want to use too much salt because you're going to use a little Fiesta Lime, Mrs. Dash. I think that would be good too. I didn't show you that. Oop. I used too much, but that's okay. You counter that with some of this screen. Just that's how you fix it. You just put some of that on there. Like whenever you use too much salt, you can use any taco sauce, any of them, any of these right here to counter it. But I like to use the green. Reminds me of America's favorite soda. Mr. Green. And you always, that's how you make sure that you don't get it on the floor when your garbage falls on the floor, is you suck the rest of the taco juice out of the packet. Okay. Wait, I forgot that